If you marry a foreigner but stay poor, would you be disappointed? Is it okay? Like, for real, I want to interview one of your parents.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
You know, one of her parents is here. Is it okay to... Her father is here. We're so lucky. Let's ask your papa. If your daughter married a foreigner, do you think he should send you or your family a monthly allowance? If a foreign husband says, I married your daughter, not your family, is that disrespectful? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Azie. It's Azie po, Z. And I'm 20 years old.
Azie, that's a unique name, Azie. Okay, Azie, if a foreign husband says, I married you, not your family, is that disrespectful?
For me, it's not. Because in today's generation, I believe that it doesn't matter anymore if my boyfriend or my husband is a foreigner. I know my family will respect that. And I know that as I marry him, we have boundaries, you know.
If you marry a foreigner but stay poor, would you be disappointed?
I think I will be disappointed to myself, not to him or not to anybody, because it's not his responsibility to, uplift me and my family and in the marginalized group. And I think as a woman, I will be more disappointed to myself because I know that I have the capability to uplift my family from being poor.
Is it okay for parents to ask how much the foreign husband earns?
Um, Personally, it doesn't matter anymore if they will ask it. But if they have, hidden agenda behind that question, I think it will be a problem.
No problem. Okay, what if, like, for example, your foreign partner, okay, his parents ask him, how much do you earn? How would you feel? And you found out about it.
I think I think maybe I think first if I'll talk to him because why would it matter to his family my current salary, because for me it doesn't matter if how how much he earned. So why does it matter to his family on how much I earn?
Okay. What's the biggest reason your family might not approve of you dating a foreigner?
One thing that I think is he's not respectful, especially to our tradition, to our beliefs and our culture.
Last question. Are you brave enough to ask your mom these questions or your father?
Yes, I know my parents well.
You know your parents well.
Yes, and I'm proud because my mindset is they are the one who shape my mindset. You know,
Yeah.
I think my answer reflects my parents.
You're 20 years old, is still in college?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
I'm currently a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, third year.
Third year. You're in a good school, Ateneo.
Yeah.
Good school. Good school. Okay. So, you're 20 years old, still in college. Is it okay? Like, for real, I want to interview one of your parents.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
You know, one of her parents is here. Is it okay to... Her father is here. We're so lucky. Let's ask your papa. Let's ask your papa. She's so proud. She's so proud of her father.
I'm so proud of my parents po. Super. Like, they really raised me well. I believe that they really raised me well.
Hello, sir. Sir, is it okay, sir, na ma-interview ika? Ano man lang, apat man lang nahapot, sir. Okay lang, sir. Di ka na lang, sir, sa tahaw. May
Tapos tighapot na yun. Okay lang.
Sir, what is your name, sir?
Rico,
No, today.
Just first name, sir.
Rico,
Rico. How old are you, sir?
60.
60. Okay. Sir, here's the very first question. If your daughter married a foreigner, do you think he should send you or your family a monthly allowance? Let's say, sir, nakaagom siya ng foreigner. Yung foreigner, agom niya ba, dapat bang magpadara sa Indo ng monthly allowance? Yes or no?
No.
No. May we know why, sir?
Ah, sa diri niya niyang pamilya, bahala na sila.
Okay.
Sa ngagad ko lang sa ila, katuninungan, kaugbahan.
He said that she has her own family now, so no need to like it's not really needed. All he asked for is peace and happiness. That's very beautiful. Okay, next, sir. If your daughter marries a foreigner but stays poor, would you be disappointed? Halimbawa, sir, makaagom siya ng foreigner tapos mahirap manggiraray siya, sir. Madi-disappoint ka ba, sir?
Day, as long na nagkakaminuutan sila,
Okay. He said no as long as they love each other. What's your reaction hearing these answers from your father?
I'm proud because I know him. I know my papa well. I know that he raised me well. And, you know, if ma'am was while ma'am asking my father, I'm predicting his answers also, because I know him very well.
Okay, next question, sir. Would you treat a Filipino son-in-law differently from a foreign one? Let's say, sir, may duwa kang babae na aki, tas nakaagom kay Filipino, tas foreigner. Itatrato mo ba sindang magkaiba or parehas lang?
parehas lang.
The same treatment. Okay. Last question, sir. If a foreign husband says, I married your daughter, not your family, is that disrespectful? Kapag ba, sir, yung agom niyang foreigner nagsabi ki, ang agom ko lang, ang pinakasalan ko lang suaki mo, bako sa pamilya mo, disrespectful ba siya, sir?
Hindi.
No.
Dapat lang si lasong katong kano.
Okay. He said that it should be. His reason is actually good, like correct. Like, he married her daughter, not his family. What is your name and how old are you?
Joanne Anasin and 43 years old.
Joanne.
Joanne.
Ate Joanne, if your daughter married a foreigner, do you think he should send you or your family a monthly allowance? Let's say, ate, for example, yung aki mong babae na kaagom ng foreigner, do you think ba na mag-send siya ng kwarta sa imo or yung sa family mo?
Di man, depende kung gusto niya. Pero para sa kuya, di man siya pwedeng mag-send sa kuya ng kwarta. May pamilya man siya. Pero kung gusto niyo, depende na lang sa iya. Kung tataanahan niya, share niya ako.
Okay. So, come here, ate. It's okay, ate. Ate said that it depends if he wants to send money, it's okay. But for her, it is no need. It's no need because he's married
To my daughter and she's family.
he has his own family. Okay, so no need to send to you or your family. Okay, but if he wants, yes.
Yes.
Next question, ate. If your daughter marries a foreigner but stays poor, would you be disappointed?
No.
You're not gonna be disappointed.
No. Dahil di man ako madi-disappoint sa iya. Iyo man ang ginusto kang aki ko.
She said she's not gonna be disappointed because that's what her daughter, she loves her foreigner husband or partner, so that's what she likes. So you're just gonna support her.
Yes.
Okay, not disappointed. Would you treat a Filipino son-in-law differently from a foreign one?
Kumansin na pwedeng pareho lang.
The same.
Yes. Pareho man sila ginusto kang aki ko, pareho silang i-treat kung ano ko duman sa saro, iyaman ko.
So she's not gonna treat her, what do you call this, her foreigner, she's not gonna treat them differently. The same.
Yes.
The same treatment. No, how do you say that? Like, for example, no favoritism or no, nothing like that. The same treatment. Last question. If a foreign husband says, I married your daughter, not your family, is that disrespectful?
At pwede, di man ako maano kasi si Aki ko man talaga ang pinakasalan niya, bako man ako.
So it's not disrespectful.
No, bako man.
Okay, Ate said it's not disrespectful because her daughter married him, not her, like her family, no.
Me, my daughter.
Daughter. Okay. Ate is street, what's the name of your job, Ate?
Street sweeper.
Street sweeper. Here in Naga. How long have you been a street sweeper, Ate?
8 years.
8 years. How many daughters you have?
7 daughters.
7 daughters.
No, 2 daughters and 5 sons.
5 sons. And you're 43 years old.
Yes.
Okay. How old is the oldest daughter you have?
22.
22. And the youngest?
1 year old and 6 months.
No. The youngest daughter you have. Yung pinaka-aki na babaeng aki mo.
Ay, 18.
18 years old. 18 and
2.
22 years old. Okay. And Ate's she's been a street sweeper for 8 years. Is still married, Ate?
Yes.
How long have you been married?
2 years pa lang.
2 years. 2 years you've been married. Oh, so you just got married with your husband.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you, Ate. Ate is someone that wouldn't, I would say, not take advantage of their foreign son-in-laws. Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection